Hi dear students, I am Dr. Mashur. Welcome to my class. Today I would like to discuss short communications. Okay, short communications. So let's see short communications. In journal, you can see different type of articles like research articles, short communications, review articles, etc. Now we can see short communications. Okay, actually these short communications are short papers. Okay, these are the short research papers that present original and significant research that need to be published quickly. Okay, short communications are short papers that present original and significant research that need to be published quickly. Okay, and these short communications articles may focus hot topic or may have a new finding that are expected to have significant impact on current problem. Okay, a short communication articles may focus on hot topic or may have new finding that are expected to have significant impact on current problems. Okay, for example, for an outbreak of epidemic we can publish as a short communication. Okay, outbreak of an epidemic of recently we are facing an epidemic COVID-19. Okay, in like that we can publish a short communication for that for an outbreak of an epidemic. And this short communication articles may focus on a hot topic and or may having a new finding that are expected to have a significant impact on current problem. And a short communication do not cover the detailed information on background about the problem studied or the application. Rather, they provide key pointers to the reader. Okay, the short communication do not cover in detail background information about the problem studied or the applications, and rather they provide key pointer to the reader. Okay, this short communication do not cover in detail background information about the problem studied or application. Okay, and rather they provide key pointer to the reader. Okay, this short communication do not cover in detail background information about the problem or the application. Okay, rather they provide key pointer to the reader. Okay, and the work reported need to be technically sound. Okay, this work that is reported in a short communication need to be technically sound, innovative, and significantly unique. Okay, if you are going for a short communication, that work report need to be technically sound, innovative, and significantly unique. And a short communication are expected to have higher than average impact, and since their relevance is often depend on timely publication. Okay, a short communication are expected to have a higher than average impact. Okay, and since their relevance is often depend on timely publication. Okay, if you are publishing a short communication in timely, that time only you will get a high impact. Okay, and they are usually prioritized by journal over the other article types. Okay, if you are publishing a journal article, if you are publishing on short communication in a journal, that time you will get priority than other articles. Okay, a short communication is a short paper that present original and significant research that need to be published quickly. Okay, and short communication article may focus on hot topic or may have a new finding that expect to have a significant impact on current problem. And this short communication do not cover in detail background information about the problem or application. Rather, they provide key point to the reader. Okay, and the work reported in short communication need to be technically sound, innovative, and significantly unique. Okay, the work reported in short communication should be technically sound, innovative, and significantly unique. And compared to other article type, this short communication are expected to have a higher than average impact. That means this short communication will get higher impact, and the impact level of impact of this short communication depends on the timely publication of this short communication. And in publication, when you are publishing short communication, that time you will get priority than priority for publishing this short communication than other article types. And a short communication also has a different structure than a regular article. Usually this short communication are without separation between the section. Okay, this short communication also have a different structure than a regular article. Okay, compared to regular articles, this short communication having a different structure. Okay, usually this short communication does not have a separation between the section like introduction, review of literature, introduction, materials and methods, result, discussion, and conclusion. Like there will be no separation between the section. And in short communication, there is a strong limitation on the size of the paper. Okay, in short communication, there is a strong limitation on the size of the paper, because if you are publishing a regular article, regular research paper, there will be that much limitation for the size of the paper. But if you are publishing short communication, that time there will be some limitation on the size of these research articles. And generally the length of short communications are not longer than 300 words. Okay, generally most of the journal are considering the short articles that are no longer than 300 words, sorry, 3000 words. Okay, and it may include one or two figures or tables. Okay, and this short communication may include one or two figures or tables, and it include abstract, main body, acknowledgement, references, and the main body is usually do not divide into section. Okay, this short communication include abstract and main body. Okay, and references maybe up to 8 reference, and the main body is not usually divided. Okay, the main body contain introduction, materials and methods, result and discussion. These are all come under the main body, but there is no division like introduction, introduction, materials and methods, result, discussion, etc. There will be no division in that like that. And the short communication paper will appear at the end of the topical section in the journal table content. Okay, this short communication will appear at the end of topical section in the journal table content. Okay, journal table content, you can see the short communication at the end, and each paper of short communication will begin with the short communication and followed by the title of that article. Okay, in this short communication paper, that will begin with the short communication and followed by the title. Okay, a short communication also has a different structure than a regular articles, and this short communication usually does not have a separation between the section, and there is a strong limitation on the size of the paper. Okay, there's a strong limitation on the size of paper, and generally the length of short communication article are no longer than 3000 words, and it may include one or two figures on tables. Okay, it may include one or two figures or tables, and this short communications includes abstracts, main body, acknowledgement, references. Okay, and short communication will appear at the end of the table of content, and each paper will begin with a short communication. Okay, each short communication article will be begin with short communication and followed by the title of that article. This is short communication. I hope you understood this class. Thank you for listening.